the place when you want a good time. Just for fun at the place when joke on your mind. And just for fun and we don't want to see you done. Just for fun, laugh till you drop down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome to the place when you
Tell her a sweet sap. She not have to worry about none of them things there with Carrot. Carrot not have no woman nowhere. Yeah, I'm one and only. You not have to worry about no farmer bunnings with my youth. Straight up, my girl. Key brethren talk. I can't believe you are mine. Holy MACKREL. When I look at you, love full of my eyes. Holy MACKREL. Holy MACKREL is all that I can say. Say is all that I can say.
I'll get the last laugh. Ugayaga, I want my money. Son of a bitch. Just a moment. Okay, you can come in. Mr. Carrot, what can I do for you, sir?
That sound about correct, you know. Cause right now the album finished. So that means me do my part. So right now that's how we reach. I'm gonna show you what me want you to do for me. See?
Okay, my ears are at your disposal. You have my attention.
So get a chance here and I tune him yet.
Well, actually, no, I haven't. But the fact that I haven't gotten a negative report thus far from Bernard, I can be rest assured that you've given me a gem. I have that much confidence in his ears.
Yeah, right there the man. But make we get back to the business at hand. Well, so right now, I know what go on, you know. Cause what? 12 big tune me give. Alright now, not tune, not touch road yet, so we can go and eat some food. So right now, some little things need sorting out. You see me? Well, alright, listen up. This is what you gonna do for me now. Alright, wait there. Alright, hear me now. Alright, you gonna do this. Hold on.
We need $100,000 and a deadline for when you gonna start release some tune.
Oh yeah, hear me now. I need $100,000 up front. Saying, I'm gonna need a deadline and a date when you gonna put out some tune so we can start eat some food. You see me? So yes, right now, Mr. Mike. But I really love to make that happen for me, you know. Cause if I can't deal with that, I have to just take my masters them and boogie. Yeah.
Okay, let's see. So that's 100,000 racks. Yes, racks. Don't get it twisted. I am hip to some of the terminology, especially when it comes to guap, moolah, cabbage, cheddar, Benjamins, you know, the bag. You get my point. And you'll also like a release date for some of the bangers that I'm quite sure you have.
Yeah, you don't know. Food I eat.
Food is essential, but some of us become gluttonous. Okay, let's see what Carrot Juice is thinking. So you'd like a couple of songs in rotation, which will result in shows, dub plates, and a numerous amount of opportunities to gain financial wealth.
Yeah, that me I talk about.
Well, Carrot, my friend, I can tell you this. That's not gonna happen. Not here. Not at New Kingston Records and MM. No way, no how. Until I devise a method whereas I can track and collect my percentage of every penny you earn. There'll be no songs released. No rotation. By the way, did you even read your contract?
Oh, you come talk about Mr. Mike. You hear me? Give my masters them here, man. Cause me a cut. Me a boogie.
Ha 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 ha. Though the boogie is old, I did used to cut the rug at the Disco Inferno in Montego Bay. Carrot wants his masters, or he's going to boogie or cut. How about this classic, which is more appropriate for this occasion? Hit the road, Jack. And on the way out, stop at the front desk and see my secretary. She has an envelope containing $2,500 for you. Have a good day. Oh, like I said, there are perks to being with New Kingston Records and MM. You're no longer with the company, so the perks are no longer available to you. So I suggest you take some of that money and find transportation home. Good day, Mr. Carrington.
Oh, the MACKREL. Oh, the MACKREL is all that I can say.
Nobody don't really know what the MM stand for, the New Kingston Records. But you don't know, say Arms House Privy. And I'm gonna show me say, yo, see MM, it stand for major man, money missing, music mix up, and a whole lot of little thing the man I show me brethren. Boy, I want to show some of a first hand experience the music mix up and them thing there, you know. Then hold on, you remember I true them do back in ideas. Then wine for the thing, girl. Wine for the thing, girl, take it down low. Wine for the thing, girl, tick tock toe. Wine for the thing, girl, tip by your toe. Yeah, man, I know. I talk about bigger. A big tune that back in the idea, man. When I must know them tune there. Well, it's the same thing there. And the same boy, Mr. Mike, my voice the tune the final. And them thing there. Well, we can't say no pay me still. But the contract I'm sign, say I have to give me all my royalties and them thing there. Cause you don't know somebody think say different. Yeah? I don't know say I gargan and the music thing, man. Cause from day one, you get year one. I just can't me I worry about still. I don't know, say the whole I know say I'm licky. So film thing I go say different. You see me?
Dinner. Yo, baby. Dinner.
Security house there. I run this for real. Boy, because I don't make good right about no. Even though you think I like to she don't love him and all these things.
It's because one Mr. Mike knows him have to give me royalties for my original thing. The boy make two different mix of a thing. I have to sell on some different market and all them thing there. You are the man though. The man make him engineer, like an acoustic version and a Christmas version to write it. Real thing. I say bigger. A Christmas version for wine pan the thing, girl. You know how him do that? Alright, well tell him I find out little thing there with the Christmas mix. So Booga Yaga join the day of Belgium, seeing? Him say I walk past a record store and them thing there, yeah? And him say him see a picture with me with some elf ears and a little green elf hat and a sexy Santa Claus woman on the album cover. So him say him go to the store to find out what that. Yeah? And the man I show him say this is one of the biggest Christmas songs in Belgium on the holiday time. Bigger than the Mariah Carey tune. For real. Serious thing. Him say it sell millions of copy. Real thing.
So how him turn a song like wine pan the thing girl in a Christmas carol bigger?
Him say him have a tune I go. Wine pan the thing girl take it down low. Wine pan the thing girl tip on your toe. But the since tell the part what says tip on your toe. him engineer flying a Santa Claus voice. I say, ho, 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 instead of tip on your toe. So basically it go, wine for the thing, girl, take it down low. Wine for the thing, girl, ho, ho, ho. Yeah, them thing there. With a bag of sleigh bells and jingle bells are jingling in the background. Them say every year it sell off. Like Mr. Mike get the jackpot for the one day. I'm gonna see none of the money. You see me?
Slow down, driver. Slow down. Rotted. See the one of them there? Bigger. Bigger look round and comfortable in your all these things. Pull over there, so.
You see if Carrot wasn't my brethren, I jump in fence. I'm girl at the power ends. Man, wait. I think Carrot that girl eh? Yeah, look like Carrot Mr. Queen upon the scene. I don't know what she could have want around here, so. She just told her to show him say Carrot in the studio. Well, everybody knows if you want the best fried chicken, you have to turn left, right after you pass Gretchen. Alright, depending on which direction you come from.
Well, look like say she no want no fried chicken cause she pass the shop. How she a pint pan?
Well, if you ask me, you look like a you big man. Oh, me? What you want? What kind of thing you deal with?
Yeah. You bigger. Come to good, you know. You have to go and saw all these things.
My girl, my things set different, you know. So better me stay right there, so. And you come talk to me.
So what's your name?
She named Katina.
Katina. You can't come over here, you know. Nobody can do nothing.
Good morning, everybody, and all these things. Bigger. But I just want to talk to you after here and all these things.
I want Katina. Superstar cat still in the studio.
Right about now, good and not interested in nothing to do with character now. That relationship they fall. It get uncomfortable. Too much lies and fall and all these things. Basically, when I say bigger, you can have your cake and eat it too and all these things. But would have to be me, you, and cute it too. Yeah. And all these things. My girl, you see that cup of soup here? It well hot. And I don't want to see it accidentally slip out of my hand and spill all over you. Alright? And besides, nothing wrong else for you other than fried chicken. And it's because we don't want no hot soup accident round here. You better just move along. May I beg you?
What a way she brazen. No, sir. And where she come from?
And the one big and dead entertainer instead I'm running the girl. Sure. Sorry, Carrot. If I did just you, me, and she, things could have probably turned out different. But maybe in our next life, I add these things. Driver, you know our relationship? I add these things.
Security come here. I ride like a bat out of hell. Who give me news? Which one I go tell?
She gone. Yo, she gone.
I said my general. How gone?
She gone. She gone. She gone, star.
Carrot, you just go on and on. Who gone?
She gone. My goodie gone. She gone, star.
Then I who name Goody.
Man, I'm making to meet her still, you know. But I'm not wait for the right time. But now she gone. My goodie gone.
How you call good my general? Katina, the beef for you have up round in your yard.
Yeah, but you know about her. You see her. You know she's matching there.
It's like you ride east and she a drive west. And just as you come, she a left.
Sweet up what you talk about. Where she there?
My general, she just pull off as you pull up, you know. I know she must see you. So you know what kind of time she there on.
Then wait. And the girl just left us a character called Goody.
Mm-hmm. Yes, missus.
Cat, trust me. When you feel away right now, but the girl is gonna bring you down. You better you feel a little hurt right now, then I will pop down later.
Yo, Carrot, I see your thing, you know. I see him little thing there. She come tell me some little things about she want that relationship with me and Cutie and them thing there. And them things that she there on. Yeah.
Me have all big plans for her, you know. Me no give her two little carrot and them thing there.
Carrot, Goody, and two little youth. That would be too cute.
Hey boy, sweet up. Don't bother starting now.
I know where I got chewing on my general, but it's a flesh wound. Time healer like a pill. So I record the album still. I'm to the bike.
Yeah, we finish up the album still, you know. But everything collapse. So we just give him at the bike, you know them way there.
You don't know, so I don't try one day still, but what? Such is life, you see me?
Boy, cat, me feel it fair now. Your little heart and your hopes and dreams get crushed at the same time. Breakfast out for suit then I know, you know, but we'll make some brunch. I feel like we'll make some nice rundown with some soft green banana and piece of soft white yam. Carrot, how that sound to you?
Yeah, that sound good, yes. Cause we know nothing from morning. Look one plant and me have the girl left upon the fire make it burn up.
Well, alright. Not say nothing there. So there's man there. What is it?
Me have some torch leaf, you know. You can't get a sheet from my father.
There's man. There's man. There's man. Go up a teaching, go charge 3 pounds of salt MACKREL for me now. Tell me pay him later.
No, no. We done with MACKREL right about now. Tell him to get Erin.
Since I trust you, go trust them thing there. You should have picked up 2 pack of banana chips too. Or some paradise plum.
There's man. No bother with the MACKREL. Get 3 pack of Erin instead.
Yo, me not lie. As me think about that food there, kinda start feel like a better already. Then wait. Big how come you around here, man? You ain't afraid of trigger?
It's like Cutie, file a report, and him get a transport. Yeah, Cutie file a complaint and him get relocated. So him call him a different parish and them thing there, you know. Can't fight crime. All jokes aside still in a carrot. We don't know say you go through and you go through and them stuff there. But you don't know say around here so we are more than friend. We are family. You see me? And when you have family, the love can't done. When you say sweets up, and that and it's just for fun.
Yo, Doris. Doris. Doris.
What you want?
Man, look at these bird juice for him.
You know, so a little strong back, me don't make film. But alright then.
You don't wanna watch nothing, you know. Me go and beat the two of them. You see me?
Darius, tell Cutie everything is everything. It's ready for go deal with that thing there. Yeah? Then Carrot, how are we go down with you and me and man Mike and New Kingston Records, eh? You have a whole heap of things to talk about in while the food are cooking on, you see me?
Yeah, I know I'm never know if to start or blow out, just me. But yo, after me did that, the man I come talk about him and do all them good thing and yo, me show the man say yo, and then man I come tell me
Carrot,
yo,
why about Katana? And in real life, what's she in her?
Holy MACKREL, holy MACKREL is all that I can say.